Welcome back to Content King, where you learn how to create content that conquers every platform. Now, this episode is more of an update. You see, every day over the next 30 days, you will learn how I attracted over 400 clients in 6 months on only Instagram and TikTok without paid ads. Now, I am a huge fan of ads. Jackie, I know what you're going to say. I am a huge fan of ads, okay? But ads are gasoline on the fire. I'm here to show you how to start the fire. Okay, but by simply listening to this podcast for 5 to 10 minutes every day for the next 30 days, you'll learn everything from camera confidence, camera quality, overcoming resistance, all the way to SEO, sales, and, well, sales. That's the main goal here. But the great part about this is that you'll not only learn how, but you'll see it in real time. Because the other content I create in that time will not only generate sales for my business, but it'll be posted daily on Reels, Shorts, TikTok, Facebook, emails, Threads, tweets, LinkedIn, YouTube, everything. So if you're just trying to win on one of these platforms, subscribe to the show and be alerted when I post, and drop your questions below. If you're on one of the apps for podcasting that allows you to do this, like Spotify, go ahead and ask your questions that you need answered this month, and your answer just might be featured on one of the next episodes. But I want to start all of this today with an observation. And this is one that we'll tackle, but it seems that y'all are just afraid of being seen online. Like you're afraid that if people saw your true self, they wouldn't want to work with you. There is good news, okay? There are principles, simple, core content principles that you can learn in the next 30 days and implement on your LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, to not only stand out as an industry leader, but to finally be able to communicate comfortably and confidently where it matters most. Now, for those who are afraid of content just for content's sake, watch me. Because this next 30 days is going to be one with a lot of work and a lot of sales. So you can come for the ride or you can get left behind. So if you're ready to learn how to become the go-to expert in your field with class and credibility, subscribe to the show so you don't miss a thing, and I will see you tomorrow.